Welcome back. Well, Mind Builders, a creative arts center, a not-for-profit organization serving our Bronx community for 40 years, is announcing their annual open house street festival. It's coming back at you this year, and now joining us to talk a little bit more about it is Waldo Chavez, who's the Mind Builders Music Department Director, and Melvada Hughes, who is the Mind Builders Dance Department Director. Both of them join us here, and first of all, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Second of all, congratulations.
Yes.
40 years and going.
Hey.
That's it. That's it. Well, talk to us about this here. So, you've got this 40-year celebration, and really, a street fair is coming, and you're looking for the public to come on out.
Yes, we are.
That's pretty much it. We've had a few celebrations throughout the year. This is our big one.
Yeah.
We close down the whole block where we are. We have street vendors. We have a big stage that we set up. This year we're going to have a bouncy house for the kids, cotton candy, everything. There's food, there's performances all day. This year it's going to be very interesting. We have Will Calhoun from the legendary rock band Living Color, the drummer. He's going to be performing, as well as our students. And one of our main parts of the performance is we have a talent show. I'm going to have Mel explain to you a little bit more about that. And also, we have sample classes going on throughout the day. Everything is free. It's a great family environment. So we urge everybody to please come out and meet us. And you can have tours of the building. We have amazing African art in the building. We're going to have tours of that as well.
I'll let Mel take it away.
Yes.
Okay, well, Bronx has talent.
Right.
Like major talent. And this is really just an opportunity for us to showcase the young people, age 8 to 18, who have some talent. We want them to come out and show it and share it with the rest of the community. Mind Builders has always been committed. Our main thing is we want to showcase and mentor talent. So this is the opportunity. There are cash prizes for the winners also. That, a little sweetening never hurts.
Right.
Our auditions, we have 2 auditions coming up. Saturday, September 8th at 11, and Tuesday, the 11th of September at 4 o'clock. And we want to see young people come and show us what they got going on.
So for somebody who does not know about Mind Builders, I mean, of course I do, but our viewers, somebody may be watching, say, hey, what's Mind Builders all about? Let's know.
Okay, so Mind Builders, I always say this, is the best place on earth. We're basically an arts school, right? We have classes, music classes, many instruments, many different styles, dance classes, many different styles of dance. All ages, from 4 to 150. We have
Martial arts.
Martial arts. We have a youth theater company, and we have a folk culture program that's sponsored by the Smithsonian. If you go to Mind Builders, let's say on a Saturday, about 400 people go through that building, and it's like going to a family reunion. It's amazing. I would urge anybody to just come and experience that part of it. There's music going on everywhere, people dancing everywhere. We have performances throughout the day. It's great.
And it's a great place because, in today's society, I always talk about this on the show, especially in the education and school system. Arts, entertainment, sports, they're always the first ones on the cutting line.
Definitely.
But then to have an opportunity to come to a place, and to be able to practice your craft, learn your craft, develop your craft, it's got to be something special.
And I would also like to add, we have many classes for adults. A few years back, we said, we are really taking good care of the young people. We saw the parents just sitting in the lobby, reading their books, doing whatever. We said, and a couple of parents said, like, what about for us? What's for us? We have hip hop for adults. We have African dance for adults. We have modern dance for adults. We have praise dance for adults. We also have a new class called Afro Beats, which is the hottest thing going. We have that for adults and young people. So I think we deserve a visit because we have a lot of stuff going on, and I think
like
people
that.
will love it. I think we deserve a visit. We do.
Yeah.
We do. We're a family atmosphere. We're very welcoming. We love seeing people come through the door. So, come on out. Check us out.
Definitely.
You won't be disappointed.
So we want to tell people, once again, come on out to the street fair, and going to tell them what the street fair. Then you also got another event a little while here.
Yes. On November 3rd, we are going to have our final event of the year, which is going to be a big gala. And we are so fortunate that Esperanza Spalding, famous bass player, singer, she is going to be an honoree, and she's going to be there, and she's going to perform, and we're going to have performances by our students. It's going to be an amazing night. So I would urge everybody. The publicity should be out very soon. We're just trying to get through to September 15th. September 15th is from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine. And please come out. I'd just like to mention one last thing. Our registration is open at the moment, and it is, this year, it is through the roof. And so we urge anybody who wants to register to please do it now, so you're not left without classes, especially if you all have special schedules in mind, or teachers, or certain instruments, or dance styles.
All right.
I'd like to do one more thing. I want to shout out to Mind Builders alumni. We've been around for 40 years. We have students who have come back, brought their children, their grandchildren. We're going to be doing some special events that we want to target our alumni. So if you've ever been a part of Mind Builders, come on out, come on back, come on home. Come and check out this new building. If you've not been, it's been renovated. It is beautiful. It will make you gasp with pride. Okay, so alumni, I'm shouting you out.
That's it. Melvada, Waldo, thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you so much, Daniel.
Congratulations on the 40 years, and looking forward for a great
Thank you.
street festival and all the rest. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
All right, listen, we want you to stay with us. We got more open coming up. Don't go anywhere. Come right back right after this.